Thank you.
You're welcome.
Oh, there's a brain. You have more brain cells than there are stars in our galaxy. Wow. Look at that. Is this the brain? Brain ba to, Ashley? Brain? That's the brain. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Your brain is flooding. This is the exhibit of the human body. Now this is the blood-brain barrier. On this side, the blood meets the brain, and the barrier exists to prevent pantones or toxic from the entering the nervous system, but allow the vital nutrients to reach the brain. Oh my gosh. Is this the heart? Oh my god. The heart is popping. Oh my god. That was scary sound. The heart pumps blood through 60,000 miles of blood vessels. Oh my goodness. The normal heart pumps approximately 4 tablespoons of blood with each beat. It's the DNA. Eto na, nasa memory lane na. Memory lane. And then echo. Iconic.
Get it where? Why?
Go get a cool photo.
Go get a cool
We'll
photo.
get you upside down and backwards.
Yeah. Look at this. The oxygen, happy oxygen molecules. Oh my goodness. Every day, millions of happy oxygen molecules travel hassle-free to destination throughout the body, all beginning their journey by entering your breathing airways, means transit tunnel, also known as the trachea, as well as aiding the transit of oxygen into the body. Your breathing airways also facilitate carbon dioxide traveling out of the body, releasing it to go off to explore the big wild world. Oh my goodness, that's beautiful. breathing airways. It's so beautiful. Look at that.
Dito ka din doon ako sa kabila.
Ha? Go.
Ito yung gadget.
Oh my god, somebody sneezed. Let's go.